Hey there, and welcome to this week's grammar video for Unit 4, Purple Reading. In this lesson, we're going to talk about adjective clauses. Let's get started. So in this lesson, we're going to talk about adjective clauses, as well as relative pronouns in adjective clauses. So sometimes we need to add some descriptive information after nouns. We can do this using adjective clauses. This information has the same job as an adjective, but it's more than one word. Again, we call these adjective clauses, and it always comes directly after the noun it describes. It can describe the subject noun and come before the main verb. For example, the town where my mother is from is very cold in the winter. In this example, we have the subject noun in green, the adjective clause in purple, and the main verb in blue. We can also use adjective clauses to describe object nouns. For example, I like the town where my mother lives. Again, in this example, we have our verb in blue, the object noun in green, and the adjective clause in purple. When we use adjective clauses, we have to start with a relative pronoun. We can choose which relative pronoun to use based on the nouns we're describing. Looking at the chart below, we have relative pronouns on the left. We can see the kind of noun it describes for each relative pronoun in the middle. For example, we use the relative pronoun who when we have an adjective clause that describes a person or people. We use the relative pronoun which when our adjective clause describes things. We can also use the relative pronoun that when our adjective clause describes things or people. However, it's less formal than who or which. We use the relative pronoun when our adjective clause describes time. We use where, the relative pronoun, when our adjective clause describes places. And we use the relative pronoun whose when our adjective clause describes possession. Take a moment to pause the video and have a look at the chart. Practice writing a few sentences of your own using each relative pronoun. Now, let's take a practice quiz. Take a moment to pause the video and answer all the questions. Hit the play button when you've finished, and we'll check your answers. Question 1. The store blank I usually buy shoes is in Cobar. Again, here our adjective clause is describing a location, so B, relative pronoun where, is your answer. Question 2. Study skills as a class blank prepares students for the test. A class, well, that's a thing, so we can use a, which. Question 3. Summer is the time of year blank I feel happiest because I love vacation. Again, here we have a big clue. Summer is the time. We use the relative pronoun when to talk about time, so C is your answer. Question 4. My brother is the person in the picture. Blank hair looks crazy. Here we have someone's hair. We're talking about possession. So we need the relative pronoun whose, D. Question 5. Tacos are a kind of food from Mexico. Blank I really love. Again, here we're talking about food or things, the tacos. So A, the relative pronoun that, is the correct answer. That's it for this lesson. As always, I hope you thought it was useful. Class dismissed.